Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. Boys, I want to start by saying that thanks and I appreciate every single one of you have subscribed, like, and comment on the channel. Today we're working on the new Civic. I like to start picking things right back up. Start on the engine bay, loosen things that we are not gonna need so that we could start removing the engine ASAP. I don't want to rush it, but I don't want to take too long either. I do want to take my time and do things accordingly. So without further waiting, let's start with today's day. Alright, so the car has been cleaned since the last time we talked, cleaned it. Alright, clean. I'm saying today I just put the insurance on. Beyond that, I don't have the Element Unicorn no more. So I transfer insurance, so this car is legit as in today. So I need to put that time work and simply start making things happen. I need the car to go to work, and so we could start blogging from it. I didn't want the summer to come and mess out and come cart meets and event, and I couldn't do anything. So we got tons of work around here, obviously, but I miss my Honda Civics, man, so I'm excited and pumped that definitely try something new for a little bit. To be honest, I get tired with the EGs. Nothing but drama with them. Whether you racing or you driving them normal or you have them parked at your house, nothing but drama. So I think the EK is a little more chill community. Should be more lean back. Whatever we do, I should be able to interact and have dope times experiences, with it. So yeah, I'm excited to get to it. So let's get it. Alright, boys, so I got the hood pushed all the way back because the hood prompt is damaged from the hood being bent or something from the past, which we're gonna change the hood. My point is, if I put it here, it's gonna bend. If I put it here, it's gonna bend more. So I gotta push back carefully as far as I can. Alright, first things first. I want to start on doing everything that doesn't have to be plugged in. So obviously, I'm gonna start with this plug. Alright, so this one it undoes from here, but you have to remove it from this pin in order to release. If you don't remove it from here, it's not gonna come undone. This could stay here. This we gotta take it out. This one we took it off because it's mounted to the engine. So everything that's coming with the engine, I'm just gonna put to the side. So gotta take out the harness from here. Give me a minute. Alright, but I just seen I remove majority of the things that's gonna be in the way when we pull out the engine. We have the radiator out, the transmission support motor mount is out, the wiring harness is moved to the side where it's not gonna interfere. So it's a matter to just take out passenger, driver, and rear motor mount, axles, and shift linkage. Literally, I'm debating what I just gonna drop the engine down or just pull it up with the hoist. I haven't figured out yet, because if I drop the engine down, which I have no problem with it, then the issue is that I have to raise up the car high up, and being on the hill kind of risky. So probably the best bet is just to get the cherry picker at some point, get some of my boys to help me out, at least holding the cherry picker, so that when I lift it, it's not gonna fly off the hill. And just as simple as that, man. You know what I mean? Just follow up, take out your wire and harness, put it to the side, take out the main components that you don't need. Right now, the only thing that I have to take out that I see here is this line for the transmission clutch. Other than that, the motor get ready to get pulled out. Like I say, I gotta lift up the car real quick, loosen the shift linkage, unbolt it from the transmission. Once I do that, I gotta remove the axles, and yeah, things is looking promising, boys. I don't expect to do everything on one video. Like I said, I'm trying to take my time. Some of my tools is messing up, like my jack is no good. I gotta get a breaker bar to do the axles, lug nut, which is a 22 socket. So a few things, but big improvement, because all this stuff is ready pretty much to get loosened up. The motor mount from the chassis, it's already been loose from before, so I don't have to worry about that. Like I said, use all three motor mounts, shift linkage, axles, and down she goes. All right, boys, so things is looking promising. Starting to sprinkle a little bit. I would like to get any more farther today, but it's not gonna happen. So next time we do part 2 on removing the engine of the new EK Civic build. I will be covering taking out the axles, loosening up the axle nuts, taking out the shift linkage. Right now I don't have the proper jack, it's one of the little skimpy ones, and that's not gonna cut it. Safety first. I gotta make sure that the tires are black with something so that the car doesn't move, so we could lift it up, put it in tower so I could work properly. And you know, hopefully next video we could just do that. Remove axles, shift linkage, and simply either drop or just remove it from the top, which I'm thinking at this point best bet is just to remove it from the top. Easy peasy. It's been a minute that I haven't put in a motor myself. Last couple years, you know, I done a few in my cars. First one was my AG Red Hatch, and that car I sold it running. So I plan to do the same thing with this one. Not that I'm trying to sell it, just the mind of getting it running and put it together myself, whatever it takes, little by little. I'm trying to motivate as many as y'all, you know what I'm saying? You guys see $300 bill, picked it up, you can't go wrong. Anybody else would ask for the same car right now, just as a chill, $1,500. So it's worth to me to put in the time. The bodywork videos is coming up as soon as we got the car running. I don't want to spoil it, but I'm gonna show you guys exactly in the proper way to fix the bottom and the quarter panels on this car, because I know a lot of people is paying attention. A lot of people want to do it because you guys have EKs, whether it's coupes or EG hatch. So I want to cover that in the future. Stay tuned. And nothing much, boys. We're trying to stay motivated, do as much as we can. The car has been less than 2 weeks I have it, probably going on the 2nd week now, and you guys seeing everything that I'm doing. I wish I could do faster work on it, but you know, things little by little. Right now my girl just came back from DMB. I got the proper work for it. Car is inspected. It's inspected, yes. It's insured. It's got its plates. It's on the road. So I'm excited. It's just a matter of getting it running, and we could start driving the car and making a daily and putting more content up there. What are those experience of vlogging from getting the car, cleaning it, working on it, removing the engine for the EK truck build, to putting it here, to making it drive, eventually to see what we're gonna do with the truck build. Yeah, there's plenty of content, boys, so stay tuned. Again, things take time sometimes, but you gotta work accordingly. If I go crazy on the body work right now, I'm gonna forget all about fixing the mechanic on the car and making it work and drive. And I already went down that road with the EK truck, so with this one, I want to get it running ASAP. 2-3 week stops, have it running. Car's got insurance, no reason I cannot enjoy it. Put it back on the road and just live a little, man. Honda is life, and I'm a Civic person, so I gotta have a Civic in my blood. I'm done with EG hatches for a little bit. As much as I love my EG hatches, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I know I got my track built, but a little direction and new content coming up. So yeah, excited for this one, boys. All right, boys, it's gonna be a wrap. Starting to sprinkle, kind of snow, but we're making things happen. I talked to my boy, so the next video is gonna be helping me throw it in. I want to speed up with this so fast that I don't want to waste no time. So I'm doing the majority I can myself, and then hopefully my boy help me throw it in. Between the both of us, we could just knock it out quick. Again, I'm trying not to waste no time with the build, so by any means necessary. So until the next time, thank you for watching. Stay in tune. Till the next time, peace.